Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency investing using the powerful tool of fundamental analysis. In the rapidly evolving digital asset market, understanding the fundamentals of each cryptocurrency is crucial to making informed investment decisions. Our expert will guide you through the essential steps, tips, and insights to help you make the most of your cryptocurrency investment. But before we get started, let me remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Now, let's jump into the 7 key points we'll cover in this video. 1. Understanding fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency. 2. Evaluating cryptocurrency's use case and market potential. 3. Analyzing the development team and community support. 4. Assessing the cryptocurrency's technology and roadmap. 5. Reviewing token economics and distribution. 6. Monitoring market sentiment and news. 7. Implementing your fundamental analysis strategy. By exploring each of these crucial aspects, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how to effectively use fundamental analysis in your cryptocurrency investing journey. Stay tuned and don't miss out on the valuable insights we're about to share. Let's get started. All right, let's begin by understanding what fundamental analysis is and how it applies to the world of cryptocurrency. Simply put, fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating an asset's intrinsic value by examining various factors related to the asset, its industry, and the broader market. It helps investors make well-informed decisions based on an asset's strengths, weaknesses, and potential for growth. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, this process is just as important, but with its unique twists. In the cryptocurrency market, fundamental analysis involves assessing the technology team, use case, and other essential factors behind a digital asset. The goal is to determine whether a specific cryptocurrency has a solid foundation, a promising future, and ultimately if it's worth investing in. By looking beyond market price fluctuations and focusing on underlying value, you can gain a deeper understanding of a cryptocurrency's potential. One key aspect to remember is that cryptocurrency investing is still a relatively young and volatile market, so fundamental analysis may not always be as straightforward as it is in traditional financial markets. It requires patience, research, and a keen eye for developments that could impact the asset's value. In summary, fundamental analysis in cryptocurrency is a crucial tool for investors who wish to make informed decisions based on the core elements that drive the value of a digital asset. By understanding and implementing this approach, you can better navigate the often turbulent waters of the crypto market and work towards building a solid investment portfolio. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into specific aspects of fundamental analysis and how you can apply them to your cryptocurrency investments. When it comes to evaluating a cryptocurrency's use case and market potential, it's essential to consider the problem the digital asset aims to solve and the potential demand for its solution. This analysis can help you identify promising investment opportunities and avoid the hype surrounding projects without real-world value. Start by researching the cryptocurrency's primary purpose and how it plans to address a specific challenge. For instance, is it designed to improve payment processing, enhance privacy, or enable decentralized applications? Understanding the core use case can give you insight into the asset's long-term potential. Next, look at the current market landscape and consider the competition. Is the cryptocurrency in question offering a unique solution, or are there several projects targeting the same issue? A saturated market could make it more challenging for a new cryptocurrency to gain traction. Finally, consider the growth potential within the target market. Is the industry rapidly expanding or relatively stagnant? A growing market may offer more opportunities for a cryptocurrency to flourish. By analyzing a cryptocurrency's use case and market potential, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on cryptocurrency investing. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll discuss additional factors to consider when conducting fundamental analysis. When investing in cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to analyze the development team and community support behind the project. A strong team with a proven track record and an engaged community can significantly impact the success of a cryptocurrency. Begin by researching the backgrounds of the core development team members. Look for individuals with relevant experience in blockchain technology, software development, and the industry the project is targeting. A highly skilled and experienced team can increase the chances of the project's success. Additionally, examine the project's community support. This can be gauged by the number of followers on social media, activity on forums like Reddit, or engagement in the project's official communication channels. A vibrant community can contribute to the development of the project, help spread awareness, and foster a strong network effect that can drive adoption. Remember, a well-rounded project with a solid development team and an engaged community is more likely to succeed. Stay tuned for more expert tips on cryptocurrency investing, and don't forget to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. When investing in a cryptocurrency, it's essential to assess the technology behind it and the project's roadmap. This helps you understand if the project has a strong foundation and a clear vision for the future. First, look at the project's white paper or technical documentation to understand the underlying technology. Is it innovative, secure, and scalable? Does it offer unique features or improvements over existing solutions? Robust technology can make a project more competitive in the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Next, examine the project's roadmap, which outlines the planned milestones and future developments. A clear and realistic roadmap shows that the team has a strategic plan and is committed to the project's success. Keep an eye on the progress and updates to ensure the project stays on track. By evaluating the technology and roadmap, you can gain valuable insight into the potential success of a cryptocurrency. Stay tuned for more tips, and remember, always do thorough research before investing in any project. Token economics and distribution play a crucial role in the success of a cryptocurrency project. By understanding these factors, you'll gain insight into how the project might perform in the market. Token economics refers to the structure and rules governing a cryptocurrency's supply and demand. It's important to analyze factors like the total supply, inflation rate, and token utility. A well-designed token economy creates incentives for users to hold and use the token, contributing to its long-term value. Distribution, on the other hand, is about how tokens are allocated among various stakeholders, such as developers, investors, and the community. Fair and transparent distribution is vital for a healthy ecosystem. Watch out for projects with a high concentration of tokens in a few hands, as this may lead to price manipulation or centralization. In conclusion, always examine the token economics and distribution before investing in a cryptocurrency. This helps you make informed decisions and spot projects with long-term potential. Stay tuned for more expert advice on cryptocurrency investing. Market sentiment and news are crucial elements to consider when investing in cryptocurrencies. These factors can greatly impact the price and overall direction of the market. To gauge market sentiment, pay attention to social media platforms, forums, and chat groups where cryptocurrency enthusiasts share their opinions. Keep an eye on trending topics and the overall tone of the discussions. Are people optimistic or pessimistic about a particular project? This can help you understand the general sentiment around a cryptocurrency and its potential for growth. Staying informed with the latest news is also essential. Major events and announcements such as partnerships, regulatory updates, and technological advancements can drive significant price changes. Follow reliable news sources and set up alerts to receive real-time updates on the projects you're interested in. In summary, monitoring market sentiment and news will help you stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment decisions. Keep watching our channel for more expert tips and insights into the world of cryptocurrency investing. Now that we've covered the key aspects of fundamental analysis for cryptocurrency investing, it's time to put everything together and implement your strategy. Remember, success in this field requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Begin by narrowing down your investment choices based on the criteria we discussed. Use case, market potential, development team, technology, token economics, and market sentiment. Once you've identified promising projects, dive deeper into their details and conduct thorough research to ensure they align with your investment goals. Always keep track of news and market sentiment to stay informed about potential opportunities and risks. As you gain experience, refine your fundamental analysis strategy to suit your specific needs and risk tolerance. In conclusion, mastering fundamental analysis is key to making well-informed decisions in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency investing. By following the steps we've outlined, you'll be better equipped to navigate the crypto market and uncover hidden gems with strong potential for growth. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on cryptocurrency investing. Until next time, happy investing.